Hi everyone, and welcome for another session with Reiki. I'm Albert, your Reiki master, and today we're focusing on this second chakra, and which is called the sacral chakra. Okay, and that's for ailment and diseases that has to do with the skin. Okay, so let's focus on whatever the intent you have. Focus, visualize it, and that's what it will heal you. You play this video over and over again, as this is all it's going to be doing is the second chakra, the sacral chakra. Okay, all right. Let's begin. Let's ground you. Okay. Take several deep breaths. Release. Okay, now visualize the golden orange light that's representing the sacral chakra on top of your head. Hold it on your crown chakra there. Send it down to your body. Right here. Hold it in your sacral area, right here in your area here, right here. Hold it. Hold it in. Take a deep breath. Now, let it go down to the ground, down to your feet. Hold it there. Okay, hold it there. I'll let you know when to release it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Now push it down on the ground. Take a deep breath. You're grounded. And now, focus on the sacral chakra, okay? Which is your second chakra. Focus on that. Focus on the intent, which is anything to do with skin, okay, or any ailment and disease in the second chakra. I'll put a full list of what else that second chakra does. And for all the chakras, so you know what it covers, and you can focus on that area to help take care of whatever it is that is a disease and element. Okay, always always check with a medical professional. Okay, before attempting anything. Okay. Now let's start the healing process. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Sacral chakra. Sacral chakra. Sacral chakra. Now I'm going to work on the rear. Same sacred chakra in the rear. Same color. Orange. Okay, hold on. Focus on your intent. Okay, take a deep breath and say, Sacred. Sacred. Continue to watch this video over and over again. Focus on your intent. Visualize it. Focus on it. See it. The intent. Focus and see and visualize. That's it. Okay. Watch this. If you enjoyed watching this video and it has helped you, do support the channel by subscribing. And thanks again. And Chant means peace. And see you next time. Bye for now.